Imagine waking up to the sounds of the falls or loons, sipping your morning coffee as the mist dances across the lake, and trading your daily rush for something a little more peaceful. This is Muskoka, a place where days are defined by dock time, forest walks, and pickleball, where life slows down, but somehow it feels richer. In this video, we're not just showing you a home, we're inviting you to a lifestyle, one that's grounded in nature, community, and calm.
Welcome to 104 Meadow Heights Drive. Nestled in the heart of Bracebridge, Muskoka's waterfall capital and the perfect blend of town charm and cottage country serenity. Just minutes from downtown Bracebridge, you're steps away from local shops, cafes, and vibrant markets, not to mention two iconic waterfalls that define the spirit of this town. Surrounded by lush golf courses, winding hiking trails, and more crystal-clear lakes than you can count, this is where adventure and relaxation live side by side. Spend your mornings fishing at sunrise, your afternoons cruising the water, and your evenings soaking in the quiet hum of Muskoka nights. Here, life slows down, and so can you. This is more than a home. It's Muskoka living elevated. Opportunities like this don't last long in Bracebridge. Contact your agent and schedule your showing today.